When you're done, I'm feeling good. Everybody I'm saying this, she said this, she said this. I'm Chisum. Come and beat me now. I'm Chisum. See, these people are so funny because they are now making it like, oh, Chisum, this. Those people did to me yesterday. What happened today? They told me, first of all, I came back late from something. And then they told me, okay, we'll be here by so time. I'll give you time to sleep. They woke me up and said, okay. And I started dressing up. I already dressed up. I waited from 5 to 8 for these people. Then I started shouting at me. It's true. It is. Today is Effa's birthday.
Are you serious? Oh my God, let's call him.
Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hooray!
Happy birthday, Princess Effa. I swear, Chisom, I always knew that was not today was not his birthday. You forced it on me. I told you today was not his birthday. Chisom kept insisting that today is your birthday.
And we kept saying she's not.
You now went to go and waste happy birthday wish.
Happy birthday,
It's not a waste. I beg, I don't remember to wish you that day. So take this one now, okay?
Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Brand new, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your.
Hey guys, we came to get clothes, but we can't seem to find what we want. So right now, we're just waiting for our ride to come and pick us up so that we can get out of here. Got back from Miss K. We went there to search for clothes that I will use when we go out tomorrow because we want to go to a nice restaurant tomorrow and I genuinely don't have what to wear. We also have an influencer event tomorrow, which I don't know what the event is about because they haven't given us full information and I still don't have what to wear. We went to Miss K to look for something that I could possibly wear and I did not find anything that I was interested in, so we just came back. And I genuinely don't know what I'm going to wear for the influencer event tomorrow. Anyways, we're going to have a fun day. Don't stop this video anytime soon, okay? See ya.
It's gonna take some time. I've been focused on the grind. Made some idols in my life. Gotta breath it up. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask.
To be honest, in my history of doing makeup, this is one of the products I've seen online that I bought and it was exactly what I ordered. This one.
Well, I love that thing.
Exactly what I ordered.
Hey, baby.
Yeah. Oh, I like her picture.
Yeah. Thank you with your ugly cup. Up and grateful, up and grateful. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. We are going to the mall.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am.
No, not you. Sorry, love. I'm coming. It's really nice. It's so gorgeous. Like. Dun, dun, dun.
I felt a lot of joy, so I don't to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight.
Yeah, this is like this is your style.
Oh my god, and I always say it though.
God is so fine. Oh my god. This dress. Oh my goodness. You look so good.
Thank you.
With another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Something like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 Blessed with another chance, I
Guys, I looked so freaking gorgeous today. So freaking gorgeous. I feel like for the rest of 2026, I'm going to be wearing long dresses.
This can't be my forever.
Hi guys. The day we've had. We had to sleep and we wake up so that we can be brief. Let me take you back to the beginning. Chiso woke up this morning, got ready, and said she's going home. The first thing I said, Chiso, go home,
drop these things, pack the new things, and come right back. We'll do your makeup here. Chisom said okay. Apparently, she told Jesam that she might not be able to do that because she wants her auntie to bring her food. I did not know that. My whole thought was that Chisom was going to come back soon. I text her by 1, she doesn't reply. And then she replies me by 3. And apparently this girl was sleeping while we were working hard. Anyways, both Jessam's and my dress were not completely fitting. So I had to work on them like a fashion designer with my hands. Because we couldn't find somebody to use a machine. So I was already at disadvantage because Jessam was getting ready and I was working on our dresses. Fast forward to 4-5 o'clock when I'm now struggling to do my makeup and hair. And I'm rushing. Jessam is literally threatening me that if we miss the sunset at this restaurant, I'm going to pay her everything that we spent.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Jeez.
And me too. I'm scared because I literally bought a dress and let me not call it overpriced dress because that dress is stunning. But I bought an expensive dress today. So my pictures had to eat, Jesus. And I was in a hurry as well. We get Chisom's call. Oh! I'm rushing with badly done
Jesus.
combo.
I didn't even mention that. I called Sophia up to 10 times before she answered me.
You can imagine how I felt. I called Sophia. Call Jesam. Call Sophia. Nobody was answering me. I was losing my mind. And she was getting frustrated. You're not supposed to be calling me. You're supposed to be here, girl.
Okay.
I was rushing. Badly done lip combo. I messed up my makeup and I used a black contour, guys. So I had to clean it and start from fresh. She was calling me. I was panicking. The son went downstairs to get our food order. And then she goes, if I come back and you're not ready, I swear I'll go without you. Well, I did every other thing except iron my dress, and then she came back and she started rushing me while Madam Chisom was calling. I was not even in a comfortable position. And then Madam calls. We then decide that we are going to go to the restaurant and wait for her because we need to start taking pictures so that we don't lose sunset. We get there because apparently this restaurant was like 2, 3, 4 minutes away from us. And Chisom was coming from Ikoyi. We waited almost 2 hours with the platter on our table. People were coming and going and were just staring at the food. When I texted her, she was like, I'm still in traffic. I go, how many more minutes? She said, it's not certain. Just I was like, guy, make we just chop food. So we start eating. And then she called and said she's downstairs. Jesus. Hallelujah. The highlight of this whole day is
That pictures 8.
our
Jesus.
pictures are gorgeous.
Jesus.
Breathtaking. Jesus. Anyways, guys.
Hey guys, it's officially my last day in Lagos, and I promise you there's no better way to end this trip than going for an influencer event, which is where I'm going to right now. I'm being a +1 for Jesam, who was invited for the Lush event. I'm so excited, guys, and we're already running late, but let's go.
DJ, I want you to kill that. Mama, come, I have something special for you. Something special. Do you know what I will tell you today? Do you know that among every ladies here today, you are the most beautiful, pretty lady ever? You say, wow, it shocked you. That's nice, that is nice. So what's the beautiful name? Don't stop your beautiful name. Want to know you, everyone want to know you because you're so beautiful. Just tell me your beautiful name. Just sound. You know you're pretty beautiful. I know that you know for the spinning game. I know you're going to win something. Just spin anyhow you want to do it. Just spin, ladies and gentlemen. This is Launch Out. Just spin. Alright, the first life. Let's go, DJ. Talk for me. Go. Yay! Give me the vibe. Give me the vibe. Say. Give me the vibe. Say. Give me the vibe. Yo. Give me the vibe. Say. Say. Yeah. Ayeba. Ladies and gentlemen, it's going, sounds like bounce.
Feel the same at the door. It's only the apartment that also have lights. That's the problem. Around her. No, Dubai. You didn't know where this is.
And I tell you
my babes are going.
when I say
They're leaving me on the day I'm even stranded. I need to go and look for where to stay. I need to go and look for an apartment. I need to go and look for one of my friends to stay with. I don't even know yet. We'll talk. My babes are going.
oh my god, but I had a time, guys. Oh my god, I had a time.
My babes, turn around. I'm so sad. She's so. Keep me when I wanna go. You're my everlasting hope. Now the day goes by where I don't think you always stay down in